Next up tonight, limited football. A little 5-boxer. Adrock has the Cowboys. Foxco Marine Bears. Brandon A. has the Niners Falcons. Red Raider Eagles. Pounds has Texans and Seahawks. Jim Bob Cooter Bengals. Posty Ravens Chiefs and Giants. Drew has Bills and Packers. Jay has Broncos Dolphins. Cassidy Lions Colts Rams and Steelers. John G. Jets and Panthers and Titans. Primary Ken Vikings Saints Redskins and the Buccaneers Cardinals. Maga with the Patriots. Art Keeper Jaguars and Raiders. Bobby Smalls Chargers and Trooper with the Browns. It will be beta tested this time first, I promise. We won't try to launch it on a break night like the Red Square of Death. There's something else. What the heck was the other thing? Weird. Can't even remember what I'm doing on my own website. Alright, limited. Let's have some weird plate 1-of-1s and triple autos like some of those breaks at the event. Some cool stuff in here. Rivers, we have a Kavari Russell autograph for the Bengals, 92/99. Wearing a Chiefs uni, but it's Bengals. Jim Bob Cooter. If that one's the patch auto, I'll save it. Keenan Allen, Jarvis Landry, maybe not. Sherman and Andy Dalton. This one is Corey Coleman to 299 RPA. I was wrong. Troopers Browns. My dude Corey Coleman. 131 at 299. Rookie patch autograph. Why is this one so much thicker? Probably a patch. Eddie Lacy. There's a Gary Barnidge for the Browns, number to 10. Cam Newton and DeMarco Murray. The hit, it is Alex Collins. Rookie Phenoms, jumbo jersey to 99 for Seattle. Pounds. Gary Barnidge. All right. Did you go to Pizza, Jules? I want some pizza. I had pizza last night, actually, at trivia. First place in trivia last night. I didn't really do much. It was mostly the rest of my team. Alshon Jeffrey. Devonta Freeman red, number to 10 for the Falcons. That is part of Brandon's Niners-Falcons combo. And a Jason Witten. Star Factor swatches to 49 for the Cowboys. 30% off our next bill, Jules. Oh, that feels like a booklet. Oh, pizza. I have some leftover pizza here that I'm going to heat up once I get a little shaky, which is already starting to happen. Surprised Rasmus hasn't told me to eat yet. We have Malcolm Mitchell RPA to 49 for the Patriots. Isn't that MAGA? It is. 33/49. Malcolm Mitchell. Rookie patch autograph. And I think we have a book. Something going on in here. Oh yeah, that's a book. We got a book. Mariota, Marino, and Jay Cutler. The book, Draft Day Signatures, 30/55. Who do you think? Taylor Decker, 16th pick of the draft for the Lions. Cassidy's Lions-Colts combo. So the cool thing about these is the jersey is actually the one presented on stage to them at the draft. So that the jersey in the picture right there, that patch is from that jersey. Pretty cool. Taylor Decker. I don't know about Taylor Decker. 16th overall, he can't be that bad. Beastly would know. A Lions fan would know. He's a stud. Awesome. We got Bortles, West, and Yagwe for the Jaguars to 99. Our keeper. Rookie autograph. Murray and Deshaun Jackson. Cassidy says Woot. Peterson, Pryor. Wendell Smallwood to 99. Rookie Phenoms jersey for the Eagles for Red Raider. Ingram and Wilson. Oh, that's a Terrell Pryor to 99. Almost missed it. I almost missed it. Cooks and Anderson. Farnage and Ryan Matthews. The RPA for the Broncos. Devontae Booker to 25. I love the RPAs from this stuff. They are tasty. Jays Broncos. Devontae Booker. 15 of 25. What do we got next? Oh, the big Optic Tie. Better eat some pizza before Optic Tech. That one's going to take a little bit. I'll run the random, let you guys trade and scarf my pizza real quick. Then we'll be good to go for the rest of the night. Revis. Kendall Fuller autograph for the Redskins to 99 rookie for Primary Ken. Brady and Manning. Kevin Hogan, jumbo jersey to 99 for the Chiefs for Posty. Gronk and David Johnson. One more RPA in this box. Jordan Reed, Phillip Rivers, Frank Gore, Antonio Gates, and the RPA is for the Eagles. Oh yeah, Carson Wentz to 49. That was a good little 5-box break. Red Raider. Nice Wentz. The standard ones are to 299, and we've had one to 25, one to 49. Malcolm Mitchell to 49. The Corey Coleman was the only standard 299 one. Awesome. All right, one more box. Give us a plate, Otto. Or something. Yeah, there you go. Manning, Tavon Austin, Cody Core for the Bengals to 99 rookie autograph. That's a ball. That's a ball in my hands. Look at that thing. It's a football. His 5th entry. Oh, we got a redemption. Probably the RPA. Rookie patch autographs variations. Oh. Will Fuller. Not a Zeke, but a Will Fuller. Pounds. Will Fuller, rookie patch autograph variations. I don't know what those are numbered to, if they're all numbered differently, but I know we had a Derrick Henry from the event. Someone pointed out that was a variation. The patch is on the left side, is it? Probably low numbered. The last packet of break. Macklin, Sherman to 99. And it's Tyler Boyd to 99 jumbo jersey. Jim Bob Cooter's Bengals. Now I want to enter more. Amazing how that works. Richard Sherman to 99. Pretty good. Pretty good 5-boxer. Some good RPAs.